Hey guys, welcome. I am going to give you a quick update of the 6.3.1. If you have not updated your WordPress theme, make sure you do it. It's great for everything with WordPress. You want to always keep your WordPress theme updated, and I'm going to go through the updated version here. Just going to give you a quick video. So with the update, you can create beautiful and compelling websites more efficiently than ever before. Whether you want to build an entire website or you just want to do some quick updates, the new update is great for it. WordPress is one of the best websites that's out right now that you do not have to code. Nowadays you don't have to code websites, period. So I think when it comes to building out your website, there's Squarespace, there's GoDaddy, there's other different Wix, other websites out there that you can build out your website. But one great feature that WordPress have is that you can download templates. It's really easy. It gives you free templates. You can purchase templates. But with the update here, it's now faster and easier. They have their own blocks that you can use to update when you're using WordPress theme. And so the update is wonderful because is they with technology continue to build out the platform and make everything's faster. I mean, secure and faster. And they every time a bug come, they are quick to update this process. Um, and I just wanted to go through it real quick and let you know some great features they have. It's as you see here, it works faster. Got different commands. They show you different commands you can use right here with the Mac and also the Windows. The right click, different sharper designs. Definitely check out the free um, option that they have. So when you go to your WordPress theme here, and then you go to parents, then you go to themes, and then you can see the free themes you have. Um, Here it gives you now you can track your performance and what's going on, like what have you done. It lets you know the changes you have made in time, things like that. And also if you are saving your WordPress thing, which you also should have a saving pack just in case your website crash or something a bug happened to it and you need to go back and upload your WordPress theme again. Make sure you backlog in it. Here you can different contexts. You change the text here, your different blocks. Performance, it lets you know how fast the updates is. Um, it comes with great features like design, um, gallery, lazy loads, um, many great features. So definitely play around with it. Get familiar with the updates. You have the accessibility course, um, all these extra great features here, pattern and toolbox and block themes, and it breaks it down for you. Everything that you need to know about the new update here. I will put the link in the description for you so you can actually know exactly everything that comes along with it. But I'm going to show you quick right here your themes. And here are where your themes are located. And if you're looking for a new theme, as you see here, all of the all the great features that WordPress themes they have. And all these WordPress themes are free. So you don't have to go out and purchase one. I do a lot of videos on the WordPress themes that you can purchase through Theme Force. But here you can find the same, not the same themes, but a lot of the similar themes that a lot of the authors also put free themes out here too. That's great. So, you know, creating a blog these days, I like this one. This is really nice. It's hot. Creating a blog these days is easier than ever before. So you can create your own blog, and put it out there. Um, I will put a link in the description for a free 30-day web hosting. The name cheap. I'm going to put the link in the description for that. Also put a link in the description for the update on the WordPress 6.3.1. All right, you guys.